Oh, we're in the jungle now. Yay! Oh, hi there. I am FFC, also known as Feather Family Content. And today we're gonna check out the elephant bird. Oh my gosh! Finally! Egg remodel! Egg remodel, guys! Egg remodel. Since the addition of like changing sizes, they made it so like the eggs will be like different shapes instead of different sizes, which is quite cool. So we get oval. Say hello, oval. Hi. We have round. I can't pronounce my R's, sorry. Say hello, round. Hi. Say hello to long. Yay! And pointy. No one cares about pointy. Everyone send hate messages to the pointy egg. Never use pointy egg. Okay, that's actually kind of cool because like the egg never got a remodel until now. I feel like oval is like the original one. Round is kind of cool. Kind of like long. I kind of like the oval, the normal oval. Probably my favorites. Okay. I heard they updated the Moa. What the? I kind of like the old one. The old one was cute. This one's a little horrifying, if you ask me. Okay, we got our elephant bird. Yeah? I want to waste my feathers. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, this one has female and male. Fent bird, fent bird, fent bird, fent bird, fent bird. Okay, we got it. We're gonna look at our hatchling. Okay. What the? Okay. Let me look at the update log again. Okay, I kind of made a mistake. I thought it meant like all birds, but it said only eggs can size up to like 50% to 400% instead of this size thing. Oopsies. I thought we were gonna get like gigantic birds for some reason. That's just me being stupid, guys. Ooh, we spawn in the jungle. I like the jungle. Jungle's probably one of the best biomes in Feather Family. Okay, here's our little bird. Okay, here's walk, run. Sorry guys, I never showcase swim. You're too tall. Swim. Okay, he's swimming now. It's kind of cool. Yeah. Sorry for not forgetting to showcase swim. This is live, kind of. Like, I'm the only person on. Okay, let's do call. I wonder how birds even do calls like that. I can't even mimic them correctly. But here's eat. Aw, isn't that cute? Okay, he's dead now. Okay, his eyes are now closed. Yeah, that's kind of cool. There's a dragonfly. Okay. Branch! Yeah! Okay, let's grow up. I want to be the female. It looks cooler, in my opinion. Ooh, this bird's big. Look at the little hairs they have on his head and on his back. Kind of reminds me of the old baby Moa a bit. Yeah, that's good. This guy's kind of big, so it's gonna be hard to like showcase them. You just walk, just run. Stupid. Okay. Don't be mean to the trees, baby. Okay. Okay, he's too tall to show the swimming animation. So, is this water deeper? I think this water's deeper, so he can actually swim. Yeah, his legs are moving. Okay, that's cool. Okay, what does his call sound like? What? We had a cute little with the baby, and then we get freaking back. No, we get freaking. I don't know how to describe it. What is that? Now he's sitting. Now he's eating. Yeah. Okay, now he's dead. Congratulations. Let me look at private servers. Yeah, they're kind of dead. I hate realism. Realism is for dorks. Anyone who plays realism is a dumb idiot. If you are reading this, I don't mean it. I'm not a mean person. Okay? He's kicking his leg. He has his little. Oh, he puts out his little wings. I love big birds. I love the extinct, the summer fossil birds that have like little wings. They kind of like flap. They're so cute. Okay. He is. Oh, why am I saying he? She is very clean. Very clean. Eyes. Yeah, you know that. No. And this is a flightless bird because I am not. What? Okay. I'm gonna look. Go away. Whoa! Whoa! What the heck is this? Like, this one's like not that bright. This one's also not that bright. But this one is like blood in your eyes. Okay, this might be fixed. Let me just screenshot this so I can put it in my community post. What is this glitch? What? Okay, let's be our beautiful male. He is very handsome. I think after I'm done like editing and stuff, I might make an elephant bird. So. Ooh, he looking nice. Kind of similar to the female one. It's kind of cool. Oh, hi, Froggy. That sounds like breathing. Are you breathing? That sounds kind of funny. Okay, sitting now. Yeah. Eating. Yeah. He's dead now. Oh. I think I might smash you. I think I might. Okay. Display. Basically the same animation. Thought it would be like slightly different, but I guess not. His little toes are now stitched together. Okay, same animation. Eyes closed. Fly, no. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys, he has his little wings out. At least the call is actually different compared to the male and female Moa. They're basically the same, except the pitch is different. Okay, what should we check the Moa or the eggs? I think we might check the Moa first. Okay, the far away angle looked really weird in the picture, but this looks fine. It looks fine. I'm not sure if I approve it or disapprove it. Okay, it just says his. Okay, he puts out his wings. Why does the Moa have wings? Moas just don't actually have wings, actually. So, even with the remodel, they still kept the wings. I kind of think they should have removed them. Okay. Same call. It's gonna sound weird. Okay, let's grow up into a beautiful girl. Okay, we dropped our branch. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I don't like how its like beak gets really long. I know it's like more realistic, but whatever. Okay, the head just changed. Yeah. I'm not gonna check I'm not even gonna show the male one, because that's basically the same thing, but smaller. Okay. Oh my gosh. I can be this big, and I can be that small. Okay. And also the size also changes the pitch of the call. I'm not sure. Whoa, guys. I'm a big egg. Ooh, that's kind of cool. That's actually kind of cool. It's so deep that it takes like several seconds for it to like allow you to do it. Okay, this is so much better than the friggin' Game Pass crack things. Okay, well, that's kind of cool. Like, I know eggs can't pick up things. I'm not stupid. I wonder if I can do this with the Game Pass bird eggs, or if it's just a thing on. Yeah, it's only available for the common eggs. Okay, we're gonna check around. Okay, this guy's a little smaller. He can also be really big, or also be the size of your dick. Oops, I didn't. Stupid notification. Go away, grr. I didn't mean to. Okay. Should we? Do these have like? It kind of rolls differently. That's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. Okay. Yeah, the call is basically the same. How does the crack look? Yeah, that looks kind of cool. Okay, let's check out the long. Okay. Want to make this really tiny or really big. Gosh, I really like B. Okay. B. Okay. B. That's really funny. The admins have such a good sense of humor. Let me take a screenshot. Okay. This looks stupid. Okay. Same shape. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks nice. Okay, let me do the. I hate pointy. Look how stupid this looks. You can't. Okay, let's make him really small. I don't like him. Okay, he can be big, or he can be tiny. Who do you pick? Who do you choose? Friend? Okay, I don't like this one. Just looks weird. I know the egg is like really simple. Could have done better, Shiny. Please remodel this one. I hate this one. How does this even roll properly? Shouldn't it be like on its side, like the pointy head part, like also being on the ground? Kind of like does that. Okay, I hate this one. This one's stupid. All right, what's the other parts in this game? Oh, I almost forgot. Okay, so the size changes when you change your size. It will like change the pitch. So we will check all pitches for some reason. Okay, we are the smallest one. Okay, that's kind of cute. So it's just higher pitch. Not sure how I don't feel about that. Okay. Okay, let's be 90%. Oh, if I spawned in the forest for some reason. Okay, now the new sound. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I kind of like this one. Okay, we're gonna be. Okay, let's change our. Okay, let's be 105%. Okay. I can barely tell the difference. Yeah, I can't tell the difference. I kind of wish there was an option to like churn it off, so like the pitch is consistent. But it's okay, it's okay. Okay, let's be 110%. Oopsie, I burped. Yeah, it still sounds similar. Let me just be my normal-sized hummingbird for a second. Okay. Okay, what else did they add? Oh, they added something that I really wanted. So, like, now it's optional. Now you can, like, settings so you can, like, do it whenever players can teleport to you. Updated Moa bird head and to be more accurate to its species. Customization bird. It's actually kind of cool, but I need to be popular. And I don't see me going anywhere. Sorry that I can't showcase it. I'm pretty sure it's in the settings. I'm not sure what. Okay. Player teleporting. So I can just turn that off and no one can teleport. That's actually kind of cool. That might be useful because like I'm really famous and people will teleport to me and say, "Are you here? Shut up. I hate those people. Like, come on. I know most of you probably don't relate to that because you're not at my fame level. So that's actually kind of cool. I'm probably just gonna keep it on because like people don't really do that because like Feather Friendly isn't really a popular game that much. What else did they added? Oh, they added bees. Okay, should I go to Fantasy Field or Forest? Forest. Oh, it's getting a little late. Okay, I changed it. Okay, we're gonna find those bees. Those bees gotta be somewhere around here, but where could they be? Where's the beehive? Is that a beehive? Nope, stupid. Oh, I see them. I see one. Let's go, gang. It's just myself, but I just want to say that so you feel included. Sorry. Okay, I wonder if bees make a sound. Okay, let's go in. Well, they do. Oh my gosh, they're so tiny. Oh my gosh, so tiny. People. That's so cute. That's kind of. I like how they're so small. This is probably the smallest thing in Feather Friendly. Let me just put it on the stump so you can see it. See the model a little closer. Stop! So it has little legs, little antenna, and little wings. Now let's eat it. Okay, yellow particles. Let's go to Fantasy Field to see them. This is definitely gonna be a lot easier. Oh my gosh, guys, I found one, guys. Isn't that so cool, guys? These bees better be magical. Like, did he clip through the freaking... The bee just clipped through the wall. I want to grab another bee. Be my friend. Okay, I got one of them. They're so tiny. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just eat this little bee. Okay, is that everything? Okay. Oh, we just need to check the somewhere fossils. Okay. Okay, let me just go find the code. Okay. 6982. Okay, we're in. Okay, so here's the little bone. Okay, that's a little call. Little egg's now in there. But we only have 2 more to go. So we already did 4 of them. So now we have 2 more to go. That's actually kind of cool. Okay, we got 2 more. 6 on that side, 6 on this side. Yeah, there's 6. Oh, what's... Ooh, it's not in like a little... Oh, this one's a fossil. It's a little brush. Is there anything updated? 4 wings. So this bird has 4 wings. It's actually kind of cool. Okay. Let me just get out Google. No, okay, that's the wrong button. I know we get that all the time. Okay, let's just get my little thing. Oh! Okay, let's read the script. My son has discovered this fossil recently. It is one of the strangest fossils we have come across. It appears to have four feathered wings. Could this be a bird after all? I am attempting to collect its DNA and bring it back to life on August 4th. Okay, what did it say? 4 feathered wings. Okay. This bird has 4 wings. What is it? Oh. What prehistoric? Okay, so... Okay, this specimen includes species like those. Oh, we already have that one. And all of the early birds. Ooh, they lived in China. Beachling. So it could be any of these furry birds. Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. Okay, let me check. 1 sec. Yeah. Okay, let's read the dialogue of Penguin. The last fossil we discovered was the elephant bird. It lived in Madagascar until around 1,000 years ago. It was huge. It was a huge, flightless bird that laid the largest eggs of any animal in history. Wow, wow. So I'm planning it could be any of those 4 extinct birds. So that's kind of cool. Okay, outro. Like and subscribe. I'll give you a cookie if you like and subscribe.